Good evening once again. This is the Up and Live show. We broadcast here live here from London each and every Tuesday at 9 o'clock right here in TGM Radio Studios. Remember, the show is sponsored by the Granaries and also we're sponsored by Styler London. If you want to get anything for your print, for your t-shirts, your hat, and make sure you go over to the Instagram page and check them out. Alright, scene? Each and every week we bring to you the best and the best from right here in the UK and also around the world. Right now we have somebody who is very spiritual, somebody who is very motivational, the person who brings you great music, great conversation, and always motivating you musically. He's here on his journey in the UK for a UK show. What if a different show is going to be coming up shortly, so we're going to have a chat with him. The great man Jahmiel is here. Good evening to you, sir. How you doing?
Well, going on, love.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, active man there, man, isn't it?
Well, man, well forward back to the UK show, because I know I see our UK already before, quite a number of years ago. What's the reason for you being here now?
I mean, it's actually my third time here in the UK, and as always, here to perform for the fans.
Exactly.
You know, it's been like, what, 3 to 4 years?
Since you haven't been?
Yeah, been here, so.
Exactly. I remember you were the last show that you were doing with Cranium.
No, that wasn't the last show. That was the first
time?
show. Yeah, the first time I came to UK it was with Cranium, and
Yeah.
my second time was with Taurus Rally. We did a few runs, yeah.
So what's the reason? What's the main show? Is there a main show or is it just a tour? Or what's
Yeah, it's
happening?
just we're just touring different places in UK and doing different shows. Went to Sheffield so far. We went to Bristol. And we're here in London to do a couple shows. So yeah, we just take a tour at the UK and
Exactly.
Yeah.
So London is.
You hear me clearly?
We are here loud and clear, man. But we're just making sure that everything is running
yo.
smoothly. You see
Yeah,
it? The
cool.
check there, official. So Jahmiel, we know you as a person that do inspirational music and always pushing positive energy. Can you just give us like where did all that came from? Was this how you grew up as a child? Did you grow up in an environment where that was just what you had to do?
That's just my gift, I think. You know, I'm always from a tender age. I'm always a gravitate to the positive side of things. You know, I don't want warmonger. That's just not my energy. You get find out say. When I decide to do the music and, you know, listening to certain artists like Sizzla and Buju Banton, it's like me I see myself in a them, and you know, that's when I decide to take on that podcast. Yeah, that's how I see myself.
Okay.
So you said that you took it on. Is it that, like, I mean...
No, as I said, it's my gift. Like, I think that's my gift, because you have to understand that Jahmiel do music from the tender age of 4. You get me?
Okay,
Yeah.
so that is that is what we want you to tell us. From the tender age of 4, that's when you identify that this is your gift, and
I didn't identify.
Talk to us about that story.
My pops, my father identified the talent from age 4. I mean,
and what did he do?
My father was my first manager.
Okay.
You know, he was actually bringing me to stage shows from that time.
From that tender
I can
age.
remember I go sting in the 99. When? I go sting in the 90s.
Okay.
You see me?
Yeah.
I can remember when.
You can't remember where you sing, sir?
No, I never perform a sting, but
You just
here we
go to
go
the
now.
event.
Yeah, I remember I go sting in the 90s, and I think a Busta Rhyme did a perform,
Una man.
and Sting used to keep the National Stadium. I can remember that
Vividly.
Yeah, I can see that, and
Yeah.
my father used to always take me to the stage shows and stuff till age 12. No, age 7, I start perform.
Okay.
You get a chance to perform and sing?
No.
Or just perform?
I mean, since my boss, since
Yeah,
we get
but
the
I mean,
breakthrough
from
and
that
thing,
time.
I perform a Sting, but you don't know at that time we just did do some small shows, as we make it
Okay,
major.
so you have a dancehall upbringing. So shed some light on your teenage years growing up in Jamaica and your musical journey while you was teenager going to high school.
I never once shift the focus. It was always music, as I said before. It's my gift, and going to school. We go school, and at the same time, studio still involved. You know, I can remember in a lot of clashes when we go to school and them thing there. So yeah, music is just part of my whole upbringing, my whole journey.
Did that lead you up to, like, because I realized you were associated with like YVP at once.
Yeah.
Was it because of the school energy and the clashings that brought you the attention to them?
No, YVP was after school, man. You see me that
Okay.
I started working with YVP after I left Ozemati Technical.
Okay.
And
Because I know they're responsible for some of your recordings, that's why.
yeah, but that was after I leave
After you left high school.
Yeah, I started
Right.
to work with them, and you know, at that time I started getting earplays and stuff. You know, big up Jamie from YVP. Akeem,
Yeah.
you don't know.
So COVID happened, 2 years, you never get for tour, you never get for travel. Really long time, but you took that time out to do a project, which is your latest project, which is called Legend. We said project because when I want to get wipe on the show, if we said the next word, you understand? You can get the Y, me not get the Y, right? So your latest project, Legend, talk to us about the creation of that because there are 16 tracks.
Yeah.
Obviously it takes a lot of time and dedication to write such a beautiful project. So talk to us about the creation of it.
Honestly, you know, Legend album, it's full of substance, but to tell you the truth, it never take a lot of time to create because Jahmiel is that artist where I can just go in the studio and once I'm feeling the beat, then the melodies and the words are gonna come and a song just manifests right there. So it never take much time. But you know, I was very involved in that, like where the rhythms are concerned, like you know, we'll hear like melodies in my head and you know, have the musician make the musician manifest that, and you know, I was very much involved in that, and yeah, it was produced by myself and Sweet Music.
Cool, man.
Okay, so that name Legend. So talk us through that. Why did you decide to give the album that name Legend? do you feel like you're a legend already?
Yeah, man, a legend is a genius, and I see myself as a genius. I mean, not much people can say, oh, you know, I've been doing music from the age of 4 and you know, performing and all of that. So as I said before, this is just my gift, and I think, you know, this is just my thing, man. I just see that's how I see myself, and I don't think anybody should see themselves less. No time, is it?
There's 2 songs that I listen on the album which I like, and I think I'm just asking, are they connected? The song, the first one is Good Times and Far Too Good.
Oh, Too Far So Close.
Too far so close. When I listen to both of the songs, it's like
a continuation.
Is there a person in play there? Because if you listen to the words where you it's like regret. What happened to those songs? Explain them to me. Guys, there's a deeper meaning into it.
I try to find out what I'm a really,
of course, we would like to know the story behind it.
Here we go, and I'm a past relationship me and talk about, and most of the songs I'm hear me and talk about heartbreak.
Personal experiences.
Yeah, personal experience, but I don't know. But I just something happening in my life where, you know, I always sing about. I mean, that situation there, it always give me the emotions I need for putting.
And you can hear it directly in the song as well.
Yes,
exactly, because I came across the one that said Too Far Too Good first. I mean, hear it and
Far too close.
Too far so close.
Too far so close.
So it's like I was there but I wasn't there.
Yeah, because
get me?
I connected with that song because I had the album I play for shuffle.
Project.
A project on one album. By the way, that song the first me hear, and then me hear the other one after. But it sounds so similar, like it was a story, like it was like something happening in real life.
Yeah,
and it just fed about it.
Honestly, it wasn't planned.
It wasn't planned.
Yeah, it wasn't planned, but just, you know, I sing from
personal
experiences and, you know, just how I feel at the time. And as I say, sometimes we'll get a beat and, you know, the inspiration come from the beat. It's like the beat I tell you what to sing and whatever. So I just that
and we give thanks for that because obviously Wally man out there can, you know, relate to the situation. So.
Yeah, Jahmiel is a person when I hold back still, you know, someone afraid to talk about certain things. I'm not afraid to talk about it, you know. Yeah, if I get my heart broken, I gotta talk about it.
You gotta talk and you gotta cry about it, though. Are you not
I don't know about the crying part.
Yeah,
you know?
Why you can't be so candid with that part?
Nah, that never happened. We're crying on my music.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we know that song is filled with emotion.
Yeah.
This is kind of... I know there's a lot of people who probably want to know this answer to this question. That girl that break your heart, what's the relationship with her at this moment?
Here we go on. I'm not going to answer the question because I have so much female fans.
Alright, move right along.
I'm going to love all of them.
I don't know because some of the time things end sourly or, you know, we in conversation or we talking, you know.
Moving right along.
Leave that for half the year.
So I mean, 16 tracks on the project. Can you tell us your top 3 favorite songs? And don't tell me say you love all of them, because you're
No,
right. You're right. Top
no.
three. Top three. You have to choose 3.
Top 3.
Yes.
Or top.
16. You have to.
But here what go on. Every song have a different sound to it, different vibe, different message.
Right.
So
Top 3.
I can't find top 3.
Yeah,
And I mean,
You're a
Yeah, your top. You must can find top 3. You were involved from
all of them are
start
number
till
1 to
finish.
me.
No, you have to choose 3, bro.
All of
You
them
have
are
to choose
number.
three.
Alright. Since I go do it. I love all of them, but since I go do it this way,
Yes.
I'm gonna pick 3.
Yes.
Story of my life, cause me I talk about
That's
me.
track number few.
Yeah, story of my life.
Right.
I mean, you have Legend with me and Massacre.
Right.
And then
That's number
the third
3.
song now. I love Good Times.
You love good times. That's track.
I mean,
that's
I know
track
one
number
of the
12.
most played song, but I love that song there.
See?
Yeah.
You see how easy that was? Easy.
Yeah, but I love all of the
Yeah,
songs
but
them,
let's
so
get choose straight and real quick and easy. And we
that's
yeah.
because I love all of them songs. I choose 3.
There's a song that's on the album as well with a project. But anyway, this song, the collab, the reason why I mentioned this collab, because obviously in the previous past, you and this person wasn't really as close as the do a song. Version.
Who's that? Oh, Version, yeah.
I realized when I heard Version, and I'm like, is that Jahmiel album this me I listen to?
Yeah, man. Go watch you now.
What go on?
You can't serve 2 masters. Either you deal with good or you deal with bad. That's what I say. And I can remember just a drive one day and the energy just I said to me, say, yo, watch you now, man. Lego them thing there, you know what I say?
So was he willing to do it, right?
Yeah, it's like him did a wait, you know what I say?
Nothing happens
Because
before
it
its
never
time.
him never itch for deliver
doing-
upon this
yeah,
song.
yeah.
And
Is
here
what
one
I
now,
say?
we have to big you up and give all the
Yeah.
praise for that, because here one
Yeah.
now, it take a man to apologize and a man to sort out certain things in life, because some of the time everything is not 100, but
Yep.
it take a man to say, yo,
This
Lego
need
that
for
we
sort
grew
out.
up as
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
And I
yeah,
realize
yeah.
in your personality and your music and your delivery now, you're more settled, you're more focused than from when you're just forward in the
Industry.
in the industry. We
Yeah.
can say like, yeah, you're
growth and
you're
development.
comfortable with yourself a bit more now. I don't know
Yeah.
if that's what I'm seeing, or if
No.
that's how you pre life or what. Me can see you're more
There's
comfortable.
growth and development, and and it's evident in what you're doing.
Yeah,
Me
man,
can
I
me can
mean-
see this is the confident about the man.
Cause
Like a
listen, man,
calmness.
the more you grow, the more you know. You get me? So I should say that next way. The more you know, the more you grow.
The more
You see me? Yeah, man. The more you know, the more you grow. So right now, Jahmiel is at a level where we are see things from a different eye,
so is this
and ego and them thing there diminish.
is this
You get me?
Is this safe to say that this is a restart for Jahmiel, the Legend album? Because most of what you're talking about in the album is like you're turning a new page. And
I
basically
would want to say restart, because at the end of the day, it's a process,
Yeah, it's
and
a
this is
continuing
wh-
of journey.
this is where the
Extension.
process took me. So I just a continuation of greatness.
And we're looking forward to the continuation of greatness, because we don't know say whole heap of you have a whole heap of things in the pipeline. I believe in your greatness, and I know a lot of your fans and air conditions and people that will support you. So I believe in your greatness as well. As we said, you're here in the UK for a tour. You've done a couple shows already. So talk to us about the other legs of
Alright,
of
so
your tour.
Thursday we have Tipsy Thursday.
Yes,
I'm
talk
not
to us
su-
about that.
I'm not sure where the location is.
North
though.
London. It's
No,
in North
yeah,
London.
Big up to
Yeah,
Lady
big up
Sassy.
to Lady Sassy and the team, the Tipsy Thursday
Yeah,
team.
yeah. So that we have
Yeah.
Thursday, and I think it's my first time performing in that side.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Cool.
I'm expecting a great turnout, and I'm here to deliver. Cause as I said, I've been performing on the stage from 8-7, so I'm well seasoned. Like I love being on the stage, and I love pleasing my fans, and
Right, right.
letting the fans leave with feeling inspired when them leave a Jahmiel concert. Them have to feel inspired, because it's not just about it's not just about singing, but it's also about bringing a message across. You
Right.
get me? Because I see that as my purpose. Yeah, that's why I'm on this path also. Even though, as I say, I think this is my gift, but I'm also conscious of what my purpose is.
And you see, hold on there, stick up it. You see that what you just said. If you don't know your purpose, you kind of go lost in a life. So
True.
yeah, I have goosebumps. Yeah, the fact that you know your purpose, bro, not greatness.
Yeah,
So Thursday is Tipsy Thursday.
Mhm.
What other shows do you have after that? Because I know people are looking forward to one specific show?
We have Saturday. We have the Palm Beach Club.
S Lounge.
S Lounge. No.
On Saturday.
S Lounge promotion, but the venue is Palm Beach Club.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
cool.
what we're doing on Saturday.
And will that be your final show in the UK for this tour?
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
So everybody on the south
That's
side.
on the south
if you
side.
don't
We
get
might
to
be
make
doing
it
a
over
few
north,
past shoes.
So, yeah.
just keep
Just
an
stick-
eye out.
Keep an eye out to your Instagram page, right? Right, team?
Yeah, just
Team?
keep an eye out.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Right, so just stick and stay. Look out for more details on Jahmiel's Instagram page. It will be posted there. Rick?
Yeah, I didn't ask you, why is it that Africa connects with your music more than our diaspora? Because I realize when you go to Africa, you get a very wide reception and the music is well received.
Because Africa is home. Like, you ever been to Africa?
No, I never. I always say
You
more
see like how we would have going to some places and your majority of the people would have be a certain race.
Yeah.
When you go to Africa, you see your people.
Okay.
And it's the majority of with that so.
Yeah.
And then, at the end of the day, them have them trials and tribulations that them a go through, and I do inspirational music that can lift your spirit when you go through certain situations, and my music give the African strength, and I think that's why they gravitate to Jahmiel.
Okay, I like the word that I used a while ago. Africa is home. Would you consider or see yourself living in Africa
Definitely.
in the near future?
Near future.
Yeah.
Say the one who I said the one guy.
No, I'm not saying near future.
Because remember, the internet really made the world very small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So people can.
We have a few things to get done, and then we can go back
can.
home. You get me? But yeah, I see myself living in Africa.
Cool, na man.
Of course.
If you should live in Africa, like what country would you live?
Well, I don't want the Africans them feel away
Man,
now
them
because
shoot,
you
yeah.
have Ghana show me enough love. Here we go. I go just buy a house everywhere, man.
One in every state.
Yeah.
Exactly, cause Gambia show me enough love. Ghana show me X amount of love. You have Zimbabwe, you have Kenya. Like, I just crazy amount of love. So.
And one more question. I know like everybody in terms of the music industry always look at somebody as a role model or always aspire to be like that person at some point in their career. Which artist or which entertainer when you was growing up you was like, yeah, he was the one who I see myself being amongst or like him in certain set of way?
Honestly, I didn't have like a specific artist, cause you get to find out that Jahmiel is an artist where gravitate to positive music. So whether you're a major artist or a local artist and you do good music, but just gravitate here. So you get to find out that we'll as I say, respect Sizzla, respect Buju Banton. You have Jahmiel, so when I listen to a lot them time they have Jahmiel. You
Well,
name
a
it,
lot
Fantan
of-
Moja, Richie
Yeah,
Spice,
yeah,
Chuck
yeah.
Fender,
Loot and Fire, the whole of
Lutan.
them.
You get what me I say? Yeah, I
So-
just that.
And
So that's why you are. It's safe to say you are a sing J
Yeah, definitely.
because.
What you would have say?
Which side of I don't know. I think you're good at both. Which side of it you like better? Do you like the DJ
Sing
bit
J.
or
No,
the
sing. I like singing and I like DJing, you know.
so you like
because
sing,
because we realize that some of your song them it's more
Straight DJ.
singing and like the latter part in your career we get like the raw singing, the raw DJ bit of it now. Cause we're like, bad man, when they know so the boy can DJ so.
Yeah, versatile them way they
And-
still, but I just love music.
and that's a great thing. And on that note, you've been in the UK, as you said, several occasions. So obviously you would have heard or seen a few UK dancehall artists, I suppose. Is there any one specific or any UK dancehall artist that you've seen or heard that you think you would do a collaboration with or work with?
Well, me and Stylo a link for the longest time, and yeah, a time now for we get a collab done. So
So
yeah,
that's
man.
a one out of the lot. Who else? Anybody else?
More UK artists.
Yes,
Me
you're
no
not
know.
paying
You
attention
do
to the
one
UK
more.
dancehall
dancehall
scene.
artists.
Yes,
dancehall.
UK dancehall scene. It's a large scene, you know. So that is your homework. For the next time you forward there, I will ask you that question there. We're gonna give 5 a joke. You're going to be able to pick a couple artists that you want to work with because it's seasoned and it has a lot of talent in the UK dancehall scene.
Well, you know.
So
I
pay
didn't know
attention.
that
So pay
you
attention.
don't- but style, no, you know, you have gappy ranks too.
Yes, big up
You
to
see
Gappy
me?
Ranks.
Yes,
But
sir.
we
But me don't know
what
much,
we're
honestly, I
asking
don't
you
know
to do.
much.
So this is what we're asking you to do.
Mhm.
The younger generation of UK dancehall,
Yeah.
it has a lot of
Who are
talent.
trending right now?
Who are
That's-
trending? You want us to tell you?
Yeah, may I ask which one?
So
am I
you have
trending? Some
Shanty
kind of
Force,
research.
you
Shanty
have
Force.
Style of British.
Mhm.
Help me out, guys.
Big Zeke.
You have Big Zeeks. You have help me out, guys.
You
They're-
got
they're-
Prince
So
Akeem.
if
there,
Prince
you have-
Akeem,
you have a
Prince
few.
Akeem, the
Yeah.
whole new
You have a
system,
few of
general.
them, yeah. I
Crew.
don't
There are
know if
a
you-
lot of them that are there
If
that you can
if
work
I heard
with.
this song before, the song was said, me no bother want your pussy because you don't get a waste man there already. Get a
Oh.
boom pan it.
Oh, man.
Yeah,
Right.
like that song they kind of have a little buzz and
Yes.
Right now.
It's
And
been
who
trending in
sing
UK.
that?
Shanty Force.
Shanty
Oh,
Force
Shanty
and
Force.
like
Can do my
it's buzzing
research.
worldwide. So you're here in the UK, so it's just right, yo. Put your ears on the ground and
Yeah.
do a bit of research because
And
if
like,
connections can be
I
made.
think that UK dancehall is an up and remember you were
Mm-hmm.
was one of the young artists in Jamaica where inspired the UK artists them to kind of get them thing out. So when you're
Definitely,
there,
because
put your ears on
we
the
get
ground.
love in we get the love in the streets, so we know.
And you
what
might
time
see
it is.
you might see a number of them at Tipsy
Tipsy,
Thursday
so,
on Friday,
yeah.
on Thursday. So
Nice.
keep your eyes.
You
and
are
ears
did it from
open.
early and I watch you go on. man, you
Yeah.
see me?
All right.
man.
With your binoculars.
I have no problem like watching a concert. Me have to perform.
You just go there for the
Yeah,
entertainment.
you get what
Alright,
I mean,
my
I say?
boss.